welcome back to another video. A customer just called us that he has an Audi R and he got into a car accident. Somebody rear-ended him. The car is coming here on the tow truck, so let's go and see exactly what we got. New project just arrived. Audi R8. Rear end damage, rear bumper, diffuser, maybe a reinforcement. But once we'll take everything apart, we'll go through everything and check it out. V10 baby. Overall, pretty nice car. We'll unload this bad boy right now and we'll take a closer look. We'll start with the front end, carbon fiber lip, and then we got carbon ceramic brakes, carbon on the mirrors, carbon on the side, and then lots of carbon inside, carbon on the doors, on the cluster, center console, all the vents. And then check out those seats. Those are sport seats, bucket seats. I haven't seen one of those in a while. And we got carbon on the outside, and then lots of carbon around engine bay. Pretty much everything is carbon. And for the final, the wing and diffuser. And then this is the damage. Pretty much got rear-ended and kind of got a little bit of everything. Tail light got a little crack on the edge. This piece is broken off right here. Obviously the bumper reinforcement got scraped up and damaged. Heat shield is damaged. Rear diffuser is damaged. Rear bumper, wire harness. So yeah, pretty much got the whole back end. But right now I want to pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, go through everything, make sure there's no hidden damages that we missed. And pretty much just go through the whole back end and start ordering new parts and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. Let's go. Got the Audi inside of the shop, so now we can start taking everything apart. And then I got a whole printout, so once everything's removed, we'll go through everything and circle whatever damaged parts that we need to replace. I got my McLaren over there. We're doing some window tint because I'm tired driving with no window tint. So we're doing the windshield, both sides, and then little back window as well. This way, gonna be very nice. Gonna have some privacy and keep the car cool inside. But for now, let's start taking this bad boy apart. We're gonna start off by removing the bumper first. Then there's a bunch of bolts on the side and at the bottom. And then the bumper should just unclip and come off. Just took everything apart on the Audi, and here's all the damaged parts. Reinforcement is damaged, one of the exhaust tips is damaged, rear bumper, rear diffuser, and this is actually a OEM factory diffuser by Audi, and probably gonna be very expensive diffuser. And then one of the tail lights, the corner is chipped, couple of heat shield. This one is damaged, and this one is damaged. Just took everything apart, so now we could circle everything on the diagram and start ordering all the new parts. Number 1 bumper, 50, diffuser, 30. Gonna need this guy, gonna need this guy. Gonna need number 20, number 9. And I think that's it for now. Let's go give this to my brother Ben. He's gonna order all the new parts from the Audi dealer, and we could get the car back on the road as soon as possible. Here's all the parts. Thank you, sir. So that's it, just gave that to Ben. He's gonna order all the new parts. Once everything comes in, I'll replace it. Pretty much another Lego puzzle. Should be pretty quick. And the only thing we're gonna paint is the rear bumper and just reinstall everything. Just got some of the parts for the Audi, so now we could start working on it. We got a rear bumper, reinforcement, and heat shield for the exhaust. So I gotta kind of free this area, replace this, install the reinforcement, and we could get the bumper over to the paint department. Let the fun begin! Another Lego puzzle. Just removed the heat shield. This is the old one, this is the new one. Time to reinstall it. I know he likes those loud and obnoxious cars. Got a rear bumper, it's all painted and ready to go. And then for the final, this piece was back order, so we finally got it, and it's very, very, very expensive. Pretty much you could get a nice used Honda Civic or a Toyota Corolla for the price of a diffuser. Crazy. Okay, so let's start putting the rear bumper together and get this thing wrapped up and ready to go. Just put the rear bumper completely together, so we're ready to start installing. Let's check it out. Look how nice this bumper looks, especially this carbon fiber diffuser, man, makes the biggest difference. But lots of pieces on this bumper and lots of expensive pieces as well. But it's all together, so now we're ready to start installing. the Audi completely together. My job is done. Next we're gonna pull the car outside, get it ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Let's go. We'll go for a little test drive, make sure everything is good on the car. The car drives amazing. We could go back to the shop and start the washing process.
I just want to love you. 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 I just want to love you.
We got Mr. Marcos in the house. He's gonna detail the R8 and it's ready to go. Sheesh.
Cause you said something, then I said something. I have nothing. I just want to love you.
Audi is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out beautiful, like nothing happened. Customer is on his way to come pick up his beautiful car, ready for the weekend. We're officially done with this build. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!